Assalamu alaikum, bonjour, hello everyone, I am Naz. Warm welcome to Dynamic Learning. Today's session is all about language and literature. Come, let us elaborate and discuss on the word language first. Language is the very essence of thoughts, and thoughts are made of words. Can you think of an inspirational speech which motivated you? Or think of an insult or a pessimist remark you have heard. Perhaps these words delivered in a certain way must have definitely touched your senses. Obviously, words carry so much of weight and power to raise you exceptionally high in spirits, to destroy you completely, and even to lose your temper to a greater extent. Hence, rightly quoted, the pen is mightier than the sword. Eventually, the words framed together programs a language. I believe language is derived from two words, langue and age. Well, langue means talking and age means period. Literally, language should be simple, easy and understandable to the common people. On the contrary, what does literature mean? Certainly, literature is a weapon of literate. Anyone with know-how of language can write pages in hot passion as emotions meld into words. Literature is what is produced when the mind collaborates with one's spirit. That's why learned people thoughts can be found in the books of literature. Bearing in mind both the concepts of language and literature, we can put forth a vision as writing, speaking of common people is a language, whereas writing, speaking of learned people is a literature. Do like and subscribe us for more upcoming videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Urva, bye, take care.